Hi guys, my name is Lily from Kenya. This hair right here, this is Wendy hair. It's beautiful, it's tangle free. This is body wave Brazilian Remy. I mean, they have so many styles to choose from. There's Peruvian hair, there's Malaysian hair, there's Virgin Remy, there's Brazilian Remy. Something for everyone. This hair is beautiful. It's soft. It does not tangle, as you can see. I've had this hair for about 2 weeks now, and it has not disappointed me. It's tangle free. It does not shed. All I need to do is use this Perfect Wendy hair treatment essence every day. Just a little bit. I spritz some on and I'm good to go. I can flat iron this hair. I can tongue it. I can blow dry it. I can color it another color. I can wash it. So all you have to do is buy from Wendy Hair Company, AliExpress number 513777, 513777, or AliExpress number 324490, 324490. Wendy Hair Company will not disappoint you. Try it. I don't regret it. I will always use Wendy Hair Company. In fact, tonight I'm going to order some more hair from Wendy Hair Company. I love Wendy Hair Company. I want all my friends to use products from Wendy Hair. It's soft, it's tangle free. Just look how beautiful this hair is. Perfect for any occasion, weddings, birthdays, school, work. Anyone can use it. Old, young, it's just beautiful and it's perfect. Join Wendy Hair Company. AliExpress number 513777 or AliExpress number 324490. Order yours now from Wendy Hair Company. Bye.